Hello and welcome to day 5. Name is Jin and we'll keep going on with the challenge. How's it going so far? Are you feeling any changes in the body? Because it's day 5 now, it is the 5th time. You will feel some difference. I mean, if you're especially new doing this the 5th time or the 4th time, you'll definitely feel some difference in the body or in the breath or maybe in the mind or thoughts. And we'll keep going and adding on to it. If you've come to my channel, welcome. And if you're watching this video, if you haven't done day 1, I would recommend for you to try out day 1, especially when you're a beginner. And we are trying to progress through and trying to build up towards day 7 of our challenge. Remember, the goal is to make this yoga and exercise accessible to you, to make it enjoyable for you. And we're gonna gradually pick up the intensity and the lengthening of this practice. Just be patient with yourself and celebrate those little achievements, no matter how small they are. Let's try a few more or explore a few more challenging poses today. Now for this, I haven't got my yoga mat because we are pretty much gonna get comfortable in the sense that we're standing most of the time and we're moving most of the time. So if you want to, you can grab a comfortable surface, which is a mat or floor or carpet, and let's begin. We're going to start flowing into things, so we're going to combine a few poses together and build up towards our sun salutation. Let's come into our mountain pose or our Tadasana, which is pretty much just standing. But I want you to think about spreading your weight evenly on your feet. So allow yourself to sway from side to side, forwards and backwards. And I want you to just reduce the sway down back to the center. And centers are always different every day. So a bit of sway and then back to the center. Don't have to lock your knees, but I just want you to lift yourself tall, like someone's pulling you to the top, in a relaxed manner. So just drop the shoulders down. Feel free to do a shoulder roll. And let's begin. 3 rounds. First round we learn the moves. Second round we put in some breath. And third round we just flow. So extending your mountain, sweep your arms up into a forward fold. So bend your knees. Drop your hands down to the ground or the body down. Flat back, hands to shin or thighs, or you can do it on the floor. Pull your spine up and forwards. And then back into your fold, so settle the whole upper body down. And that's your sequence. Adding some breath in your round 2. Inhale as you rise and extend your mountain. Exhale, forward fold, take a dive. Breathe into your flat back, lean forwards. And then back to your fold. This time with more length. So inhale as you rise up, pull yourself up to the ceiling. Exhale, take a dive down to your fold. And then breathing in to your flat back, pull the spine forwards and use the breath to do it. And then exhale to your fold. Gonna move to a next flow. So just step back to your down dog. So bringing your feet back. Just bring your feet slightly wide. Adjust the palms. The head, just give it a bit of a shake. And then I want you to just look slightly forward so you keep the ears in line with the hands. Now with the back foot, the heels can stay lifted. But the idea is we want to shift our hips back to open up through the chest. Staying here for a few deep breaths. So take a breath in and out. Just give yourself 3 long deep breaths. So try to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. I know the nose will start blocking, so try your best to breathe through the nose. If not, you can breathe in through the mouth and out through your nose. My nose is blocked already. We're going to come into the next sequence. So we're going to drop down to plank. Lean forwards, drop the hips down. And drop down to your knees. This is where you might need your mat. Then crocodile or chaturanga. We're going to bend the elbows and drop the chest all the way down to the floor. Now moving into your baby cobra or cobra. Lift your chest halfway up. Pull the elbows back. Then stepping back to your down dog, so bend your knees, tuck your toes, and lift the hips back up. 2 more rounds, gonna do that again. So this time come forwards with your breath in, breathing in, drop down to your knees, breathing out as you come down. Inhale as you lift your chest. Feel free to come a little higher. It's called an up dog. And then back to your down dog. So breathe all the way out as you shift your weight back. One more time, just flowing into it. So breathe in as you come forwards. The moment you're forwards, breathe out, smoothen the transition in the poses. And then breathing in as you rise. And breathing back out to your down dog. Stay here again for 3 long breaths. Inhale. You can follow my voice. And exhale. Or you just can go on your own pace. And breathing in. And out. One more breath in. And one more breath out. And we're going to come back to our fold. So bend your knees as deep as you can. Walk your feet to your hands until your heels are grounded. You can keep your feet a little wider. And just release the upper body downwards to the floor. Maybe sway from side to side. Relax the head. You can shake the head. You can nod it. Or you can go sideways. Yeah, little sways. Releasing the arms. If you want to, you can cross the elbows. Or just leave the hand dangling. And then slowly standing up. But I want your back to keep rounded. So as you come up, keep standing up. Take your time so the spine will adjust slowly. Then once you're up here, do a big shoulder roll. Alright. And then coming down to a seating position, or you can come and lie down. We're going to do some breathing practice. So I call this resonance breathing, where we inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 6 counts. The idea is we slow the breath down and we keep the counts in seconds, and we'll do it 5 rounds. So feel free to close your eyes, or you can look down to the floor, tune into your breath, find your breath right now, and we're going to deepen and lengthen it. So breathing in, 4, 3, 2, 1, out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, in 4, 3, 2, 1, out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly open up your eyes, and we're done with day number 5. And that's the 5th time you're trying. How is it? How are the poses? Are they overwhelming too fast? Because it's a bit of vinyasa as we move from one position to another. Let me know, put it in the comments below. Also, let me know how you feel. Share your experience, or share your knowledge, or share any ideas for your challenge. Let me know in the comments again. And if you want more, subscribe to my video or subscribe to my channel for day number 6. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.